Youth unemployment is possibly the most pressing social challenge that is facing the country. YES is a public-private partnership that was established between business and government to contribute to youth employment. YES and Sanlam then developed a program called Youth for Tourism. And in the first year, we had helped these young people to create portfolios of work. And so in the second year, then we transitioned to really being a much more comprehensive entrepreneurial incubation initiative. We provide them with financial and non-financial support. And then we also provide grants to help them procure assets or to do whatever it is that they need to do to take that business to the next level. And Sanlam facilitates access to opportunities throughout the group for the beneficiaries. And I think we can see from the young people that are in the program and the successes that they've achieved that it really pays for helping young people get a footing in life, start a career, start a business.